and welcome. If you're new to this channel, I'm Chef Din. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, now is the time to hit that notification button as well, so you don't miss out on my new recipes posted weekly. Here I will teach you how to prepare your ingredients, mix your spices and then cook the dish. So join me on a culinary adventure and learn to cook great Indian cuisine. With my knowledge and experience of over 40 years as a master chef and restaurateur, I will also share with you trade secrets. So let's not waste any more time and let's begin to cook a chicken dansak today. First we're going to get a little bit of oil in the frying pan. This is going to be a self-explanatory really, because I'm showing you exactly how long a restaurant-style dansak would take to cook if in a busy environment. So basically, you put your oil, let that heat up, and then a little bit of garlic. I'll put all the bits you will need to make the dansak in the description, so that you have everything ready. So give this a little bit of stir. We're only going to cook this for a little while, and then we're going to add the other ingredients. Now add a little bit of salt. That's just probably less than half a teaspoon of salt and about a teaspoon of mixed powder. You'll find all the ingredients and mixed powder you need on my channel, so I will put links to that in the description. Now you put about, I would say about half a cup of lentils pre-cooked in with some Worcester sauce. This is an old method, only done in the 70s, Worcester sauce. So I'm going back to the 70s with this recipe, proper BR restaurant style curries. These are the way you would cook if you was in a restaurant environment for the public. So there goes the chili. Now chili you can add as hot as you like, so you can add a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons. And your pre-cooked chicken, this will you'll also find in the description, a link to it. You need to cook all my ingredients, like the base gravy, what I'm putting in now, the pre-cooked chicken. You need to cook all these pre-cooked to make my curries, otherwise they won't taste the way it's supposed to. We put in a little bit of fresh coriander. I forgot to mention we did put in a little bit of methi as well. So now what we have to do is basically now just thicken this up. That's it. Because everything is cooked, so there's nothing that hasn't been cooked. All we're doing is we're basically putting together the ingredients to make the dansak. This is how it's done in the restaurant. I've been cooking dansak since probably 1976, when I was only 15. We were helping my mum in the kitchens, and then I took over the restaurant when I was 16. When my parents all left and went back to Bangladesh, and I took over the restaurant, and basically all my life I've been cooking curries. So I'm teaching you, or going to teach you, how to cook proper BII curries, which don't take long. As you can see, I use stainless steel frying pans because it's quick and it heats up the curries much quicker. And you don't need to do anything else, you just let it thicken up now. Because where I cook my pre-cook items, everything is properly cooked, so we're not actually adding much raw ingredients, apart from the fresh garlic we added in the beginning, which gave us the freshness again when we put the gravy and all the other ingredients in. That's all you need to do. So all we're waiting to do is basically thicken the curry up, and then it's ready to serve. And this is how quick restaurant style curries take. It doesn't take 15-20 minutes. We wouldn't have the time to cook curries 15-20 minutes at a time. So this is the curries we would serve in a restaurant. As you can see, all I'm doing is making sure it's not burning on the sides, so I'm just bringing it back into the frying pan, and kind of stirring it, making sure it's not burning anywhere, because that's all we're doing, is making sure the curry is not burning on the sides or burning on the bottom. So we can leave this one and go on to another curry. I'm just adding some more sugar here because it wasn't sweet enough. So basically you add what you need to make it the type of curry you want. So if it's not sweet enough for you, add a little bit more sugar. If it's not hot enough for you, add a bit more chili powder, and then you would have your perfect curry. When I used to get customers in the restaurant, I used to create their own curries for them. So if they wanted a chicken and mushroom madras hot, I would make it a chicken and mushroom madras hot. Then when the EPOS system came in on the tills, I could put their name against it, so that it would come up automatically, their order, without adding all different things, and the pricing structure as well. So thank God for the EPOS system. Anyway, this is nearly finished now. As you can see, it's only taken from start to finish about 6 minutes. No curry in the restaurant takes more than 6 to 8 minutes. So there you go. This is my dansak. I hope you enjoy it. There's a lot more different types of curries I'm going to show you how to cook. But as I say, look at my channel and learn how to cook the base gravy, the pre-cooked onions, the chicken, and so on. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope that I've given you an insight on how to cook restaurant-style curries. Bye for now, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification button as well.